What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Welcome to today's peg hunting video, and we are at Toys R Us. Now, before you guys type in the comments down below, well, Toys R Us is closed. We don't have Toys R Us. What happened? I live up in Canada, and in Canada, the Toys R Us are run under a different company or investor or something. I don't know the exact details, but Toys R Us is still open here in Canada. So I'm lucky enough to have a Toys R Us about 10 minutes from right where I live. So we are going to go ahead and go inside and check out all the cool Hot Wheels stuff that they have. They have a lot of exclusive Hot Wheels sets here. So let's head on inside and see what they have. All right, first things first, we get to the aisle where we have a ton of mainline Hot Wheels. We got some 20 packs. We got this weird clown set here on the side. We've got the Roto Revolution set. There's always so many different play sets at Toys R Us. Here we got a 10 pack. What about this 20 pack? We got the Volcano in there. We've got another Gallardo in there as well. Got some good Lambos in that one. What do we have in this set right here? We've got lots of different newer cars, a couple of exclusive cars. We've got this little thing right here, which is, I don't really know what that is. We've got a bunch of little sets. Let's go on and see what else we have here. We've got the Total Turbo Takeover. Got a monster truck set. That's pretty big. And, ooh, this one looks pretty cool. 3 stunts in 1 rocket launch challenge. And we'll go on up here and we'll take a look at these. We got 2 packs. We don't see these very often. Hot Wheels 2 packs. We got some 5 packs here as well. Hot Wheels Glow Wheels, Track Builder pieces. Always good to have extras of those. Some more 5 packs. There's a nice bone shaker in that one. What is this? This is some sort of like tool thing. We've got some brand new monster trucks in here as well. Rev and Roll. Ooh, look at this. Big new Hot Wheels monster trucks. Those ones are pretty cool. And we'll move on. We've got some other stuff here. Ooh, these are some weird sets. We've got the mini Hot Wheels sets, the world's smallest Hot Wheels. We got 2 track sets for that. We've got the King Crunched Hobby Shop. We've got all these extra M2s and vintage gas station. Ooh, this is really cool. Check that out. Kind of like an old Chevron or something. And this Road Trip. I like this set. We got a Volkswagen bus, a Mustang, an Explorer Police, and a Mustang convertible. I'm not even sure what this is. Green light it's made by, but that looks pretty cool. And we got this Big Lebowski Corvette. We got this kind of vintage green light gas pump. We got a different one as well. Matchbox. We got the Xterra with the opening back. And what else do we have back here? Got a couple different ones. We'll go on over up here. We've got the 50th anniversary Superfast Mercedes plus the Range Rover. I never really picked up any of the extra cars of these besides the S2000 from that set, but we'll leave it for now. We've got a bunch of different play sets as well. Check out all of these. Monster Jam. We got the Mario one right here. That one's kind of interesting. We'll go on up. We got Track Builder sets. Trick Brick. I don't think I have that one. What is this Matchbox set? Color Changers Helicopter? This is crazy. Volcano Rescue Playset. That's an interesting one. And we've got the Jail as well. Matchbox Bank Robbery Playset. Check this out. Now that's pretty interesting. I haven't seen that before. We've got some Matchbox 9 packs up here. And there's a big Hot Wheels 50 pack. We got the Aventador Mira Homage in there as well. Ooh, I love that casting. Such a cool car. And we don't see 50 packs very often in stores. Avengers, Hot Wheels Avengers set. Wow, okay, I didn't even know that they made that. We go on down here. We've got some bundle packs down here. More play sets, RC helicopters. We've got, what is this? This is a Hot Wheels Drone Racers. We got a drone set by Hot Wheels. And even we've got these little cars right here, which I guess the drone set picks up. Let's have a look at the back of this. That is crazy. You can fly your drone through the loops, and there's little ramps that your Hot Wheels can go over. And we've got the RC DRX drone rotor. So there's, I guess that's the drone. And we've got another RC pack. There are some more drones as well. This is like some pretty complex set. I have actually never seen them before. That's interesting. And we've got this little Hot Wheels transporter, which it looks like it has a loop on it. That's pretty neat. And there's your standard Hot Wheels Super Hauler right down there. We've got that already, though. We'll move on up here. We've got a bunch of Cars 3 stuff. Always liking the Cars 3 stuff. It's always interesting to see what other stuff besides Hot Wheels that Toys R Us has. They got metal machines here, which I've never been a fan of. They're mostly fantasy cars in the metal machines. Let's look at the other side of the aisle here. What other kind of race sets and track sets that we have? We've got, looks like some sort of water set, some sort of spin set. There's another Mario set, jumping rally. And we got another big Hot Wheel set. This one's pretty cool. Right down here. Ooh, Volcano, some sort of spindle action set. So many crazy sets. A big track builder. What is this? Ultimate car wash? Oh my gosh, this one is crazy. That's a big set right there. Big giant Hot Wheels City set. There's the little track builder one. Got some fire trucks and stuff here. Let's head on over to a different aisle and see what we can find as well. We've got, right here, we've got some of the track builder pieces. It's always good to have these little track builder pieces. There's always so good ones. $198. That's actually a really good price for these little track builder sets. I might have to pick up some of those. I'm not even sure which ones I have. It's always good to hunt through. We'll head on over and see what we have at the end of the aisle here. We got some more Hot Wheels mainlands. There's a Treasure Hunt Custom 77 Dodge van. And we've got the Dodge D100. A couple of other different ones down here. I think I have most of those. We'll move on to the aisle here. It looks like a bunch of RC cars here. Oh, I love RC cars. I still got lots of RC cars. There's a Yoshi RC car. We got some sort of construction RC cars. There's a Monster Jam Hot Wheels RC one. Ooh, check these out. Mclaren 675 LT Coupe in the green. And we've got an orange one as well. Wow, I like these. 1999 Audi R8 GT, 1 in 24 scale radio control cars. Those are interesting. I don't think I'll get any of those right now, though. What else do we have down here? We got some Fast and Furious cars as well. Are these RC cars too? Fast and Furious RC? Oh no, these are just die-cast. No, they are RCs. They've got little RC controllers in the back. That's crazy. Brian's GTR. There's the Ford GT. What other ones do we have right here? We've got, oh yes, Dom's Dodge Charger RT. There's the Supra. Oh, so many good ones. What do we have up here as well? We've got some die-cast cars. There's a Lykan Hypersport. Oh, that looks so cool in black. I wish Hot Wheels made a Lykan the Hypersport. There's Batman. We got an RX-7. Looks like another Charger. Ooh, the Plymouth Barracuda. What else do we have back here? There's another one. Hemicuda it is, of course. There's another Lykan up there. What else do we have? Let's go check out something else that we can find as well. And here we go. At the end of the aisle, we've got this big Hot Wheels action play set. What is this? Super Speed Blastway. That one looks kind of cool. What else do we have on here? We've got, what is this? Some sort of Shark Beach Battle? That is great. I've never seen this before. $44.99 Shark Beach Battle. And let's go ahead and see if we can take a look at the back of this and see what it looks like. Oh, I don't even know. What do you even do with it? It's got some big thing and a ramp, and I guess it goes into like the shark's mouth. All right, well, let's move on and see what else we can find. Oh, check these out. We've got the little Power Wheels cars. There's a 2-seater Power Wheels now. Check out these trucks. Even the Escalade there we've got. Look at the 2 seats you can fit in them. Look at all that. We've got a big subwoofer in the back of it as well. These things are so cool from when I was little. Got the Mini Cooper, got the Porsche. That one's blinged out. We've got this little ride-on one. We've got a black truck here. And check this one out. The Mercedes CLA 45 AMG. And this little carts and stuff like that. I love these things. They're so cool. Oh, my daughters would absolutely love these. All right, let's go check out what else we can find. And we've got, oh, check this out. Mclaren 570S. Oh, this is so cool. Check it out in the front. McLaren, that nice McLaren orange. And I guess this is a little 1-seater. I guess it's like a push cart or something. That is so cool. All right, guys, we are back inside of my car. Now, I must admit, there was a lot of really cool stuff in Toys R Us, but I didn't actually purchase anything today. There's not a lot that I really wanted, but I really want some input from you guys on what type of stuff that you guys want to see that you saw in the video. Perhaps a couple of those sets I might get and open up and do a couple different races and tournaments and stuff like that with them, but I'm not really sure. I don't really I don't really know. There's just so much stuff. There's so many sets there. It was kind of overwhelming, and I'm kind of interested in those Hot Wheels drones that they had there too. That would be kind of cool to take out and kind of see how they work and see what they do and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments down below. But thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.